aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi
That's what I say once. Kidi chased out of radio station in where they new video for disappointed
disrespecting. Okay.
Sister, profon kumabu who say me nyadia me adwo be de meka. Profon kumabu meka.
Okay. Disrespecting.
Next time oba wi ase oba hunu prof kai. Mabatra host of a show.
Host of a show. Kidi chased out of a radio station in a new video for disrespecting a host of a show. The person Chenya and say Kidi. Yeah, Kidi Nyumtuni, our Links Entertainment, yeah, or call FM station, all promoting a new about a new track, EP Blue, about out no, or call sa radio tone. Presenter, let's say, why you late? Time at Pahon, ain't no, what Pamone free studio, won't mean in show no, ebim, yanko, near go her video named Brian Bar. Yeah, the emunche will be our person to be a development or hot news. So,
I say attacking me.
Yes,
it's not
because this is the second time I said it will happen.
I don't
know. I be frame me say mobile interview. Me catch it I be say if it's Kidi, talk to Kidi before I go ahead to do the interview because enye back on you know. And also this time it happen. To me catch a producer say unfre or road manager. And so on in a kasa asat in the morning na. Some will be drew her on time. Say about 11:25. I cut just 35 minutes. Now upon half an hour be. Because I say last time the same thing, and I apologize here, and I'm sure no problem, yanko. And the crowd share boss said the following day said they over and put them man fine yes but and then what's some and SCB my brother listeners viewers will be a train Kidi. Say more show can be beach more. Because I feel embarrassed. Me sure no, I don't joke.
I feel like I don't understand why you are attacking me like this.
Yes.
No, it's not nice. It's not very nice.
No, I have to do it because anytime I book interviews, nobody has done this to me before. My cameraman Winnie, he's the same cameraman that you came here the last time I heard the same thing. So he was even saying, why is this only with Kidi? And I faces our problem and such challenge we. So maybe you should tell me why. Maybe say me who say a show and I say yeah interview no I almost share mo say mo mra na me pese me hu because interview be no wa me maye wa ha me no be any problem or time hoda they come on time and we do it beautifully and they go until cannot tie for nyina ntie na me hu say the problem is with the show the radio or the host or whatever na me ntime ho ase me catch the opinion say interview ni nyanya because time call I was planning for a beautiful interview as usual, but time is gone. You go fit talk.
If the interview won't happen, it's fine. I apologize again. I don't mean to disrespect anybody. I don't mean to disappoint anybody. It's just fine. I just don't like the way I've been spoken to this morning.
Yeah,
but it's okay. I apologize for being late. Okay, let's go.
So thank you. Tiabusia for into me your interview because I wouldn't also be happy say. Me sure no you didn't need to from sir because the
na said there see e wo video ni na me adwen kakra me wo e fa ho ni say presenter no eni kwan say ko attacking the street sir
late na o ye ye ne de me pele so say o kan ni mo late
oh yeah late na o ye no
na obi ye wedding na o bre me ka o ka tell me say 12 o'clock no master wedding me pele tinti me 10 o'clock. Na bedroom baby oya wedding no 11 o'clock.
Okay.
About 3.
No one shall say.
Okay,
mami bisa o sa question we debate abu kakra internet stress enti koye no. Se e bia wo ba no. E na nka BBC wo kwan nim. Wunya kan kwanhia bi. E na nka koye na kodru wo 1 o'clock.
E kan yan fon so. E ya 12 ba me see mu 10. So obi ka kire o say e ye 9 no ni baby I would see I was on traffic wa sa 9 so sim 7
I was so sim 7 na yen hwe this side so say a tone or a radio tone or into Meko Ash FM, Meko Kumasi FM, Meko Love FM, Meko Ha, or be our time on the Bema, into Meko because I'm now me the baba time so. Don't you think say 30 minutes now can as a good presenter you should make use of that 30 minutes because radio presenters need to me the 5 minutes a year program. If they don't want me making use of that 30 minutes.
I want me for 30 minutes in
it. I also disrespecting.
Obiana na sam na me dey say or attack any say. Umuro obi so and they know they na for personal.
Yes.
Don't do personal on this issue.
Yes.
Do right way say or you late. If you say what for doors one and so you nyina it when him say or cut off for radio talk shows still TV say me free hot FM
Meko
2 hours make me dey do peace.
Okay.
Be free peace make me be 2 hours a do crack.
And no first of one name Kidi, who the born in road manager because as a teacher's Kidi or road manager or monitor the times or the NBBR. Just like you said, anybody's attacking the street, so you're stressing much on that. Me pay wine.
That's all your lawyer man open.
Oh, there be mommy as someone working. Oh, there are somebody coming come.
Kasiaba eja so pruse boss wa wa saba normal. Ya twa kasiaba no so e wo Kumawood TV.
TV so
Kumawood